Camels are large, sturdy mammals known for their distinctive humped backs and remarkable adaptations for desert life. Here's an overview of these fascinating animals. Physical characteristics. Camels are ungulates belonging to the family Camelidae and the genus Camelus. There are two main species of camels, the dromedary camel, Camelus dromedarius, which has a single hump, and the Bactrian camel, Camelus bactrianus, which has two humps. One of the most striking features of camels is their humps, which are made of fatty tissue and serve as energy reserves. Contrary to popular belief, the humps do not store water, but instead provide a source of nourishment when food is scarce. Camels have long legs, a long neck, and a relatively small head with large dark eyes, bushy eyebrows, and slit-like nostrils that can close to protect against sand and dust. They have thick, shaggy coats that help regulate their body temperature by providing insulation from the heat of the desert during the day and warmth during cold desert nights. The color of their fur can vary from light brown to dark brown or even reddish brown. Habitat. Camels are native to arid and semi-arid regions of Asia and Africa, where they inhabit deserts, steppes, and scrublands. They are well adapted to harsh desert environments with limited water and vegetation. Dromedary camels are found primarily in the Arabian Peninsula, North Africa, and parts of Western Asia, while Bactrian camels are native to Central Asia, including Mongolia, China, and parts of Russia. Behavior. Camels are highly adapted to desert life and have several physiological and behavioral adaptations that help them survive in harsh environments. They can go for long periods without water, often weeks or even months, by storing fat in their humps and conserving water through efficient kidney function. Camels are social animals and often live in groups called herds or caravans, which can consist of several individuals led by a dominant male. They communicate with each other using vocalizations, body language, and gestures. Despite their reputation for being docile and gentle animals, camels can become aggressive if threatened or provoked. They have powerful kicks and can bite with their strong teeth and jaws, making them formidable defenders against predators. Diet. Camels are herbivores and feed primarily on a variety of plant materials, including grasses, leaves, thorny shrubs, and desert vegetation. They are selective feeders and will browse on a wide range of vegetation depending on seasonal availability and nutritional content. Camels have specialized digestive systems adapted for processing fibrous plant material, including large intestines and complex stomach chambers that allow for fermentation and extraction of nutrients. Reproduction. Breeding behavior in camels occurs throughout the year, although mating peaks may vary depending on environmental conditions and availability of resources. Male camels, known as bulls, compete for mating opportunities by engaging in vocalizations, displays, and physical combat with rival males. Female camels, known as cows, have a gestation period of around 12 to 14 months, depending on the species. They give birth to a single calf, known as a foal, which is born with a full coat of fur and is capable of standing and walking shortly after birth. Female camels provide care and protection for their offspring, nursing them and teaching them essential survival skills. Young camels remain with their mothers for several months to a few years before becoming more independent. Conservation status. Camels are not considered endangered, with healthy populations found throughout their range. However, they face threats from habitat loss, overgrazing, competition with livestock, and hunting for their meat, milk, and hides. Conservation efforts focused on protecting habitat, regulating grazing practices, and promoting sustainable use of camels and their products are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of these iconic desert dwellers. Overall, camels are remarkable animals with unique adaptations that enable them to thrive in some of the world's harshest environments. By conserving their habitats and promoting sustainable practices, we can help ensure that future generations continue to marvel at these magnificent desert denizens.
Subscribe to TerraChannel today and start your own adventure into the heart of the wild.